So right now guys we are heading to an off-road track, an off-road ride. पता है थोड़ा सा लेट हुआ है but we'll just go there and check. Yeah.
Custom this thing.
What? Yeah, this thing is custom.
And acha, this they don't give with every bike, right?
No. I have got it. Should we start?
The weather is on our side.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
reach the top till it is like this.
Off-road starts.
Starts from here. We are going to follow this route. And then there's a temple right behind this tower.
Okay.
And in the middle, we'll take a break at the temple. And then we'll again continue till that Kanifnath temple.
Let's go.
Enjoy.
Move.
It's like a flag.
Oh.
It's like a flag. The lake. You okay?
Nice, man.
Are you filming?
Yes. To Gorakshanath. These are all astics. Mysterious way of astics. Ah, much better.
Much better? Yeah, so I always do that. Wherever there is a dip or slope now, I look for stones and I just put a stone under it. I put a shoe under that. See, I've put an extra shoe under there.
Yeah.
So that will grip you, that will give you an extra grip. Sexy bike.
Came in.
You accessorized it.
Yeah. Shiv Gorakshanath. Jai Kanifnath, Jai Gorakshanath.
I frequent this place. I come here, sit there on the bench.
So guys, here we are now in the midst of Kanifnath, and that's our mentor, our sensei Nanda on his Himalayan, the OG one. You've got BMC air filters?
I got BMC, I got Powertronic.
Killer, man.
BMC.
And that's me, Moi, Saadhu, and yours truly. Woo.
This is the powerhouse.
This is the thing, man. Yeah. So this is now these guys. What they have done is they have got the ECU, but again, you know, the work is not finished.
Yeah. Because I got this and I installed it myself. I took off the bike. I took off
See
the
this.
tank
See this is this O2 sensor. You know.
that is the auto sensor. So this ECU, it plays with all the sensors.
And
fuel
here
extra-
there is another O2 sensor. So there are two sensors on this bike.
catalytic converter. This one is catalytic converter.
Yeah.
If you put that power range decat, then this box will go away.
I know the weight will be reduced.
The weight will be reduced by 2 kgs, 2.5 kgs.
Yeah.
And so this will go away. So I like this more than the upcoming 750 or 600
Yeah.
cc. I like this more.
This
I just
one is
wanted
a
to-
beast, man. Ultimate beast. It does
See, this much power is enough.
more than enough.
More than enough for you to go anywhere. Now this guy is a mountain goat. It's not the fastest,
But it
will
will
climb anywhere.
Climb anywhere.
So that's why I call it a mountain goat.
Mountain goat.
Not the fastest, not a very big beast, but then it will climb anywhere you want it to climb.
Probably for my Ladakh trip, I will be riding this.
Why don't you hire this so that you get the feeling of riding your own bike at least?
Exactly.
You know?
That's what I'm planning on doing so, because the problem is that again the transportation and all, they screw your bike
No,
up.
hire this over there.
Yeah.
Get an option.
Yeah.
Don't hire this.
Huh.
So that way you don't have to carry your bike there,
But
you
get a feel of riding
feel of
that.
450. This
Yeah.
will just cost you a few bucks more.
Yes.
This is like
I purposefully increased the speed of this clip and because it was an insightful conversation. Let me know in the comment section as well to post this as a whole insightful conversation if you are willing, but it was just getting on to the vlog time and I had to continue the storyline. That's why I'm skipping it as of now.
People might say, man, these guys are what? They are in US? They are talking in English? Nowadays it's a scene, na? Stupid thing, huh? But awesome. This one was fun. Nice.
Cool.
Hello.
The best part about riding is this, that you remove your gear and you feel so good. So sexy.